In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio, basically a tutorial guide video. Google AI Studio is a powerful AI tool by Google. It lets you create AI models of all kinds without even writing complex codes. It does not matter whether you are a beginner or a professional coder, the Google AI Studio does the job for you. So let's jump into the video without wasting any further time. So first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and you very simply have to search for Google AI Studio. Once you search for it, you have to click on its official website. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to such an interface. First of all, you may be asked to create your account on Google AI Studio. So you very simply have to create your account by using your Google account and your profile icon will be displayed at the top right corner of your screen. So, what exactly is Google AI Studio? Google AI Studio is a free web-based software developed by Google. It allows its users to create, interact with Google's latest interactive models. It is still very simple to use and I must say, it's very user-friendly. So worry not, even if you're not an expert, Google AI Studio got you covered. Whether you want to test out prompts, explore endless possibilities in the world of coding and development, Google AI Studio is the right place. So on this interface, you will see a rather simple kind of interface. Right in the center, this is where you will be entering prompts and giving commands to Google AI Studio. Think of yourself as a captain of a ship. This ship is Google AI Studio. It will take you wherever you want with the right prompt. So obviously you will have to keep this in mind that you are in command right here. You have to create things by using the right prompts. For example, if you want codes, you want to create apps or you want to build literal games, the Google AI Studio can do it all only if you are creating the right prompts for it. Let's start by getting familiar with the interface of Google AI Studio. On the right side, you will see the run settings. In the run settings, if you click on Gemini 2.5 Pro, you will be able to see all of the models that are available for your use. Under the category of Gemini 2.5, you can use 4 models, each offering different kinds of aspects and different kind of functions. Like for example, under Gemini 2.5, the Gemini 2.5 Pro is the greatest version. It is best for coding, reasoning, and multimodal understanding. Next is the Gemini 2.5 Flash. The Gemini 2.5 Flash is best for large scale processing, for example, multiple PDFs, low latency, high volume tasks which require thinking, and agentic use cases. Now, as for the Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, you will be able to use this for large scale processing as well and almost the same categories that were in Gemini 2.5 Flash. The last one is Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite Preview and it is best for large scale processing and almost the same things except for a lower cost. Now, under Gemini 2.0, you will be able to see 3 categories or simply 3 kinds of models. All of these have different kind of inputs and outputs API pricing and they are best for different kinds of cases. Like for example, Gemini 2.0 Flash Preview image generation is best for multimodal understanding, multimodal generation and native tool use. Moving on, if you will click on the Gemma version, it has approximately 6 kinds of model in it, all offering unique aspects. If you will click on other, you will be able to see one more option that says Learn LM 2.0 Flash Experimental. You can also use this if you're creating basic projects. As for my recommendation, if you're working on advanced projects and complicated models, then the higher version, for example, the Gemini 2.5 Pro will suit you the best. But if you're working on simple and basic projects, like for example, you only want to create a poem or some kind of essay in the Google AI Studio, then you should use the Gemini 2.0 or even the Gemma 3 and E2B version because they will pretty much give you the best results in that kind of category. Now, let's go through the settings which you will find in Google AI Studio. First, you will see a movable bar called the temperature. Basically, this controls the creativity that the AI is allowed to use in its responses. Like for example, a higher value means more creativity. By a lower value, you will be limiting the AI model's creativity and it won't be able to give you more brief and logical answers. So, in short, this controls the creativity that the AI is allowed to use in its responses. By more creativity, it means that the answers will be more brief and lengthy. Next is the thinking options. In thinking mode, you will be able to see that your AI model is thinking like in literal senses. It's thinking before giving you an answer. The thinking mode provides extra advanced searching and other capabilities. Another important setting is the set thinking budget. It means to place a limit on the usage of tokens in a single project. You can use this much amount of tokens in a single project. So by enabling this option, you will be able to create a budget for a single project. Every change, every edit will cost you tokens. So you can simply enable this and you will be able to limit your usage of tokens. Now, back to the center of your screen, you will see four options. First is the URL context tool, second is native speech generation, third is live audio to audio dialogue, and the last one is native image generation. So, allow me to explain all of these. The URL context tool basically fetch information from web links. Like for example, if you want to include data or simply articles from another website, you can use this option which will fetch information from all kinds of websites. Second is native speech generation. This is a very fun mode as it allows you to generate high quality text to speech in Gemini. So basically, you won't have to write your prompt. You can very easily tell the AI that you want this, you want that in your project, and the AI will be able to do all of that by simply using your voice as an input. Third is live audio to audio dialogue. In audio to audio dialogue, you will be able to have a real time dialogue with the AI. This function makes the creation of your projects very fun. Last is native image generations. You can use the Gemini 2.0 Flash model to create images on your AI model. So on the left side, you are currently on the chat option where you will write prompts and create a design, code, game, app or anything else that you want to create. Second is the stream option. This is basically where you can talk to the Gemini in real life. You can use a webcam or simply share your screen to interact with your AI. Third is generate media. From here, you can search through all of these and find examples on how you can test the limits of Google AI Studio. Fourth option is the build option. In build option, you will be able to get more examples on how to make things in the Google AI Studio. For example, you can create a computer with a user interface that is generated dynamically from user interactions. You can create games, live audio and all kind of things that are present over here as examples. Last is basically your history and obviously I have not created anything so I won't be able to see anything over here. Let's come back to our chat option and let's test the capabilities of our Google AI Studio. So first of all, let's ask the model to write an essay on global warming. Now I have written the prompt that I want the AI to write me an essay on global warming. I will simply click on run prompt and let's see what are the results. As you guys can see, as I have enabled the thinking mode, the AI is first of all thinking, then it converts its thinking into thoughts. And here is the result of my prompt. It has generated me an essay on global warming. So as you guys can see, this was a very simple and straightforward prompt. Now let's ask the AI to generate a code in a specific language for me in which I will ask it to do a certain task. So for example, to test its actual capabilities, I will ask the Google AI Studio to generate and write a C++ function to calculate the square of 500. So let's write that now in the prompt box. Now as you guys can see, I have written a prompt. I have asked the AI Studio to write me a C++ function to calculate the square of 500. Let's simply click on run and see what is the result of this. So as you guys can see, the results are now ready on my screen. So let's scroll down and you will be able to see that the Google AI Studio has generated a flawless code for me in C++ language. In this code, it is calculating the square of 500. Furthermore, if you scroll down towards the end, you will see an explanation section as well. From here, you will be able to get the overview of all of your code in native human language, which will make it easier for a person who is a beginner to understand this code. So now, if you want any kinds of changes, you should be able to do that by simply typing in what you want in the prompt box. But keep this in mind that every single edit, every single change will cost you tokens. So you have to keep this in mind. As you guys can see, I have asked the AI to generate me a code and it has already taken about 4004 tokens from the total count. So if you guys think that your tokens are not enough, you should always enable the set thinking budget, which will limit your capabilities of AI but will save your tokens as well. So after implementing all this, congratulations everyone, you have now stepped into an uncharted domain. You should keep exploring and learn more things by using the examples that are present in the build section. You can keep using all kinds of examples to check out the main potential of Google AI Studio. So this was a tutorial video on how to use Google AI Studio. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.